Uncover 20 essential tips on PCB manufacturing costs optimization. In the dynamic landscape of PCB manufacturing, understanding how to calculate costs accurately is a vital skill for success. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the intricacies of PCB manufacturing costs, while providing insights into cost-saving strategies that can give you a competitive edge. Let's embark on this journey to master the art of calculating PCB manufacturing costs. 1. PCB Design Services, a foundation for success. The journey begins with PCB Design Services. Collaborating with experienced designers not only enhances the quality of your product, but also influences your manufacturing costs. Design intricacy and the expertise of your design team play a crucial role in shaping your budget. 2. Circuit board size matters. The dimensions of your circuit board have a direct impact on material usage and fabrication processes. Larger boards may lead to increased material expenses and intricate manufacturing steps, driving up costs. 3. Navigating PCB and electronic material costs. Material selection is a key determinant of your PCB manufacturing costs. Delve into the world of materials, exploring the best choices for your project. Learn about the cost implications of different materials and how selecting the right ones can optimize your budget. 4. Decoding PCB layers. The number of layers in your PCB contributes to its complexity and manufacturing process. Weigh the benefits of multiple layers against their impact on costs to make informed decisions. 5. Innovations and technologies driving cost efficiencies in PCB manufacturing. Choosing the right assembly technology, whether surface mount technology, SMT, or through-hole technology, can significantly affect your costs. Understand the nuances of each technology to align with your budgetary goals. 6. PCB design complexity and its influence. The degree of design complexity directly affects manufacturing time and effort. Learn to evaluate design intricacy and allocate resources wisely to ensure optimal cost efficiency. 7. PCB Surface Finish. Depending on the surface finish you choose for your PCB, the cost can fluctuate. Standard PCB finishes, such as OSP and HASL, are more cost-effective and still provide decent solderability. However, other special surface treatments such as immersion silver, immersion gold, alloyed gold fingers will be much more expensive. 8. Line width and line space. When the hole diameter of one board exceeds 0.2 mm, the hole diameter of the other board is less than 0.2 mm, which will result in different drilling costs. The two circuit boards are the same in other positions, but the line width and line spacing are different, one of which is greater than 4 mm, and the other less than 4 mm will lead to different production costs. 9. PCB copper and board thickness. Copper foil thickness board has an important relationship with PCB material. Sheet material, FR4, CEM3. This is our common double-sided and multi-layer sheet. 10. PCB solder mask and silk screen. Regarding solder-resist ink, there is also a certain price difference between ordinary thermosetting oil and photosensitive green oil. The color of PCB ink can be freely selected according to the needs of customers, and the prices of inks of different colors are also different. 11. Embracing economies of scale. Production batch size is a critical factor in cost calculation. Discover how larger batch sizes can lead to lower costs per unit, harnessing economies of scale for your advantage. 12. PCB delivery time. Urgent projects may require expedited manufacturing processes, impacting costs. Strike a balance between time constraints and budget considerations for successful cost management. 13. PCB packaging selection. Packaging plays a pivotal role in protecting your PCBs and influencing costs. Explore packaging options that safeguard your products while maintaining budget efficiency. The protective measures during the transportation process include moisture-proof packaging, anti-vibration packaging, anti-static packaging, packaging materials. These are also the most important factor to increase PCB manufacturing cost. 14. PCB standard certification. It also depends on the process standard. We usually use IPC2 level, but some customers will have higher requirements, such as Japanese capital. Our common ones are IPC2, IPC3, enterprise standards, military standards, etc. 15. Leveraging PCB equipment capability. Investing in advanced equipment can enhance efficiency and quality, impacting both initial investment and operational costs. 16. Maximizing production volume. Production volume is closely tied to cost. Explore strategies to maximize your production volume without compromising quality, driving down costs in the process. PCB prototype is usually charged according to the information and process requirements provided by the customer. For example, the number of boards, process requirements, ink color, board thickness, degree of difficulty, etc., are combined to evaluate the price. 17. Fixed PCB engineering costs and film costs. The price base of the film cost remains unchanged, but the more layers of circuit boards, the more film sheets will be consumed, so the cost will also be higher. 18. The importance of PCB inspection and testing. Thorough inspection and testing are crucial for product quality. Dive into the world of AOI versus X-ray inspection and PCB reliability testing to understand their implications on costs. Navigate the realm of PCB testing costs by implementing smart testing strategies. 19. Exploring PCB outsourcing options. Outsourcing can be a cost-effective solution for certain projects. 20. Tools and software for PCB cost estimation and analysis. To effectively analyze and estimate PCB manufacturing costs, businesses can leverage various tools and software solutions.